Looking for the best action camera in 2026? Before you spend your money, watch this. We tested the biggest names: GoPro, DJI, Insta360, and more. And the winner might not be who you expect. So if you want smoother footage, better low light, and rock-solid stabilization, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 1. GoPro. Hero 13. Black GoPro is still sitting at the top of the action camera world, and the Hero 13 Black proves why. While people call every action camera a GoPro, nothing matches the real thing. This camera builds on everything great about the Hero 12, and takes it even further. You still get the large sensor and 5.3K at 60 frames per second, making it perfect for creators on any platform. Image quality is crystal clear, stabilization is pro-level, and mounting options are as flexible as ever. But the real upgrade comes from the new HB series lenses. Ultra-wide, macro, anamorphic, and ND filters. They attach instantly, and the camera detects them automatically. That's plug and play with professional control. GoPro also improved things behind the scenes. Magnetic mounts make setup faster, heat management is better, and battery life now lets you record 4K 60 for up to 90 minutes. GPS is back, and hybrid log gamma HDR adds richer highlights and shadows. If you already own a Hero 12 or Hero 11, you don't need to upgrade immediately. But if this is your first action cam, or you're coming from an older model, this is the best you can buy right now. Plus, the Quick app makes editing simple and mobile-friendly. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 6. DJI is not playing around with the Action 6. This is a serious competitor to GoPro. It features a 38-megapixel, 1/1.1-inch square sensor. And for the first time in an action camera, you get a variable aperture from f2.0 to f4.0. That means more control in tricky lighting. Low light is where this camera shines. It actually beats the Hero 13 at night, thanks to Super Night mode and advanced pixel tech. You also get customizable lenses including macro and FOV boost, and a new natural wide mode that reduces distortion. Need zoom? You get 2x digital. Need storage? There's 50 gigabytes built in. Need cinematic color? There's a dedicated film tone mode. Battery life is better too with a triple charging case. The main downside? Availability. It's hard to find in the US right now. If that's an issue, the Action 5 Pro and Action 4 are solid backups. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The Hero 11 proves you don't need the newest model to get flagship performance. Its standout feature is the 8:7 sensor format, shooting at 5.3K. That lets you crop for vertical and horizontal videos from one single shot. Perfect for TikTok, Shorts, and YouTube. Want cinematic widescreen? Just turn on Hyperview. Stabilization is still world-class. Hypersmooth and horizon lock keep footage level, even during extreme movement. Battery life is better with Enduro batteries and menus feel smoother. For the price, this is one of the best value action cameras available. Number 4. Insta360 X4. If you want creative freedom, this is it. The Insta360 X4 records full 360-degree video in 8K. Using dual half-inch sensors, it captures everything at once. You choose the angle later. Reframe, pan, zoom, tilt. After filming. It's compact and waterproof to 10 meters or 50 meters with a dive kit. Not into 360? Switch to 4K single lens mode and use it like a normal action cam. AI editing makes post-production fast. Battery life reaches up to 135 minutes, and stabilization is built in. This isn't a gimmick. It's a serious tool for creative creators. Number 5. DJI Osmo Nano. The Osmo Nano is completely different, and that's its strength. It's tiny, modular, and built for hands-free shooting. It clips magnetically to clothing or metal surfaces. Perfect for POV content. It records 4K 60, 4K 120 slow motion, and 35 megapixel photos. A 1/1.3-inch sensor and 143-degree field of view deliver strong image quality. The Vision Dock is the star. It's a detachable OLED screen that flips both ways. Great for vlogs, remote shots, and monitoring. So, what's the best action camera of 2026? After testing them all, the GoPro Hero 13 Black takes the crown. It delivers the best balance of stabilization, image quality, lens support, and reliability. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.